Understanding Banjo Chords, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, banjo chord. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about this term, this video will help you understand what it means and how it's used in English. Before we dive into banjo chords, let's first understand what a banjo is. A banjo is a stringed musical instrument with a distinctive sound. It's often used in folk, country, and bluegrass music. The body of a banjo is similar to a drum, and it has a long neck with frets. Now, let's break down the phrase, banjo chord. A chord, in music, is a group of notes played together at the same time. When we talk about a banjo chord, we're referring to chords that are specifically played on the banjo. These chords create harmonies that are unique to the banjo's sound. Banjos are usually tuned differently from guitars, and this results in unique chord shapes. Some common banjo chords are G major, C major, and D7. These chords are the foundation for many banjo songs and are essential for anyone learning to play the banjo. Banjo chords are important in genres like folk and country music. They add a rhythmic and melodic layer that enhances the song's overall feel. Understanding banjo chords can also help in appreciating the skill involved in playing the banjo. We hope this video has helped you understand what banjo chord means. Remember, music is a universal language, and learning about different instruments like the banjo can enrich your English vocabulary and cultural understanding. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.